चाओ चाओ दोस्तों, ट्रांसफर मार्केट चल रहा है आज के टाइम पे। और आज की कहानी जो है वो एक ट्रांसफर मार्केट रिलेटेड कहानी है। आज के समय पे फुटबॉलर्स कैन वॉक अवे फ्रॉम द क्लब्स, डायरेक्टली नेगोशिएट एंड अर्न मिलियंस फॉर अ फ्री ट्रांसफर। दिस इज मॉडर्न फुटबॉल फॉर यू, बट this is a story of the man who actually made this happen. It's all thanks to John Mark Bosman. कि आज footballers can actually get a transfer, a free transfer to their choice of a football club. He is not a great, not a legend, and his story will definitely not be forgotten, at least by us. तो चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। तो जैसे कि मैंने कहा था कि जॉन मार्क बोसमैन एक लेजेंडरी खिलाड़ी नहीं थे। इट्स नॉट लाइक अ पेले और मैराडोना, वो लेवल का था नहीं, बट जो उसका बैटल था दैट वाज लेजेंडरी। ही फॉट विद एवरीबॉडी फॉर द फ्री राइट ऑफ मूवमेंट ऑफ प्लेयर्स विद इन द फुटबॉलिंग इकोसिस्टम। इन फैक्ट, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस लीगल बैटल ही रूइंड हिज ओन करियर एंड हिज ओन लाइफ, जैसे कि हम वीडियो में आगे देखेंगे। इन द लेट 1980s, Bosman was an okayish player playing in Belgium for Liège, RFC Liège. In 1990, his contract expired and a French club, Dunkirk, wanted his services. But here's the problem. He wanted to move, Dunkirk wanted him, but RFC Liège will not let him go. In fact, they demanded a transfer fee. This is after his contract expiring. भाई आज के मॉडर्न लेवल में इट गोज बियॉन्ड कॉम्प्रीहेंशन। मतलब आदमी फ्री एजेंट है तो जो पेरेंट क्लब है ट्रांसफर फी क्यों मांग रही है, राइट? बट 1990 में ये सिनेरियो नहीं था, राइट? सो दिस इज वेयर द होल प्रोसेस एंड द स्ट्रगल बिगैन। मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लेयर्स एट दैट टाइम वुड हैव जस्ट उन लोग कुछ ना कुछ जुगाड़ कर लेते थे। आइदर दे वुड हैव कम टू एन एग्रीमेंट, कुछ ट्रांसफर फी हो जाता था, और ही वुड हैव वेटेड आउट। बट John Mark Bosman fought. He filed a lawsuit against the Belgian FA, against Liège, and against UEFA. And that is how his legal proceedings began. And he didn't know back then, no one knew back then, that this is going to be one of the most important aspects of football. A turning point in the history of football. 1990 से हम कट टू 1995 करते हैं। 5 साल में बॉसमैन did not play football. He did not play professional football. He became broke. He lost all his money. There was troubles in his house, his marriage, etc. But on December 15th, 1995, the European Court of Justice finally ruled in favor of John Eric Bosman. He had won after a 5-year legal battle. Bosman had won, and there came in the ruling which would change football forever. The court declared that out-of-contract players were free to move, and clubs could not demand a transfer fee for them. And suddenly, football players became liberated. Free transfers became the norm. Salaries soared. Agents came in, जो आज फुटबॉल एजेंट्स है। मैं काफी मजाक करते रहता हूँ कि इंडिया में फुटबॉल प्लेयर से ज्यादा फुटबॉल एजेंट्स हैं। फुटबॉल एजेंट्स केम इन टू द स्पॉटलाइट। अगेन दिस डिजर्व्स अ होल डिफरेंट स्टोरी ऑल टुगेदर, फुटबॉल एजेंट्स दैट इज। बट दिस इज व्हाट द बॉसमैन वर्डिक्ट एक्चुअली गेव इनटू। ये तो बहुत शुरुआत थी, 95 की बात है। एंड फ्रॉम 95 to 2025 हाउ मच the game has changed, but behind the scenes this was a very very I would say a verdict which no one saw coming. Everyone expected Bosman would lose, but he actually won, and that triggered so many changes. आज अगर आप देखोगे, if a player has 6 months remaining in his contract, he can go and negotiate with a club and then move after 6 months on a free transfer. This was seemingly impossible at that time. So this verdict actually gave rise to free transfers, and God knows I've used so many of those free transfers on Football Manager and gotten the players that I wanted. But yeah, I mean, हंसी मजाक तो एक साइड पे है। मतलब आप सिर्फ कंपेयर करो, जो एम्बापे का फ्री ट्रांसफर था, फ्री तो था नहीं। खैर, the intermediaries actually made a lot of money, but PSG did not get a single dime because he played till the end of his contract, ran his contract down, as we say, as the newspapers say, and then he moved on a free to Real Madrid. But look at, just compare the situation with John Mark Bosman. Bosman 5 साल उसने लड़ाई की. Obviously after 5 years he was not fit enough to play. He was playing at a professional level in Europe. Like, he was a competitive footballer playing at the highest level. 5 साल के बाद तो obviously he was not fit enough to be a footballer, and इस बीच में he had lost everything. पैसे नहीं थे, family life बर्बाद हो गई, he had other issues as well, alcoholism and all those things. And एक एम्बापे है, एक बॉसमैन है, like the man who pioneered the free transfer move, the man who fought for his co-workers. आप बोल सकते हो यार, मतलब आज कोई everyone takes it for granted कि हाँ फुटबॉलर फ्री में जा रहे हैं, but he is the man, he is the enigma जिसके कारण ये सब हुआ. But seldom does he get any spotlight. So that is his story. I mean, the man who fought for the civil rights of his fellow footballers अभी obscurity में चला गया. In fact, he got arrested, for assault, and I'm sure that he must have gone through a tough time mentally as well. Just seemingly forgotten. He is not in the FIFA Hall of Fame. मतलब ऐसा कोई भी कमेमोरेशन है नहीं जिसके कारण बॉसमैन को हम याद रखेंगे. हाँ, मैं भी जब आई वाज स्टार्टिंग आउट एज अ फुटबॉल फैन, इट इंट्रिग्ड मी यार, ही मूव्ड ऑन अ बॉसमैन, एंड आई वाज लाइक, ये बॉसमैन क्या होता है यार. That's what actually gave an interest, and I'm so happy that after many years of reading, he moved from year to year on a Bosman transfer. I'm finally able to tell the story of Bosman, and I hope I've done enough justice, because this man deserves to be remembered amongst us football fans. So there we are, guys. End of the video. छोटा सा वीडियो था, बट ये कहानी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट थी, स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग द ट्रांसफर विंडो. हम फब्रिज़ो रोमानो का हियर वी गो करके कितना हम उसको सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. आज सोशल मीडिया है तो रोमानो और बहुत सारे जो जर्नलिस्ट हैं उनका काफी नाम है. दे आर वेरी फेमस, दे मेक अ लॉट ऑफ मनी ऑन द साइड लाइन्स, बट वन ऑफ द पायनियर्स ऑफ the modern day transfer is completely forgotten. And this was my small tribute to John Mark Bosman, one of the pioneers of our game, you can say, and a man who shouldn't be ever forgotten ever. And I hope ये वीडियो देख के आपको कुछ सीखने मिला. I hope बाकी के content creators in India and across the world can also do their own research and share their stories. We actually, I've said this, like we take so many things for granted, right? And I think we shouldn't do that. On a broader sense, if you've actually been helped by someone, just be grateful and just say a thank you if you can reach out to that person. तो वो काम करना, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब तो जरूर करना, वो तो करना ही करना है आपको. बट अगर आपको किसी ने मदद किया है ड्यूरिंग a time of crisis in your life, please reach out to the person and say thank you. And also make them watch this video if they're a football fan, that is. That's all for today. I'm Ajay Menon, and thank you for all the love and support. I shall be back with another video sometime soon. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Do not let the stress of your club's lack of activity in the transfer market get to you. Have a good one. Ciao, ciao.